Hello, this is a Hampton Bay Redington 3. It's a pretty big fan, it's a 52-inch. Got the manual for it right here. Get it down here. Oh yeah, that's the Redington 3. Pardon me if I'm saying that wrong. It's by Hampton Bay. It's got a remote. Pretty normal. Even though it's big, it really doesn't move a bunch of air until it gets on high. It's got a light with a dimmer. If you just hold that down, it'll dim or brighten back up like that. Okay, so let's start it off on low. It speeds up relatively fast. If I'm recording this, I'll look through this booklet. I'll tell you what size of a motor it's got. Page 15. So that's basically the low speed. It really doesn't have anything to it. Why is it? Did I hit reverse? How did that happen? Somehow I hit reverse on it, so. But yeah, I'll let it speed up again, but this is it. Fan size, 52-inch. Speed, low, medium, high. Volts, 120, 120, 120. Amps, 0.30, 0.47, and 0.70. So that's a big jump. Watts, 14, 33, and 85. That's a big jump too. RPMs jump an interesting amount, yeah. CFMs jump, and those are those. Yeah, I hope I did not reverse it again. Doesn't look like I did. So there's barely any air coming from it. I doubt you could even hear it. It's on a sloped ceiling. So that may have something to do with it having problems. Here's medium. It blows a little bit more air. Nothing much to see. It speeds up to medium from low in about 10 seconds. Its motor is nicely oiled. Maybe you could hear that. I think this fan is best in a bedroom because of the air put out it has. Oh, and you can hear it speed up too. You can hear it. It's got a little bit of a wobble, but you can't see it. But yeah, it's best for a bedroom in my opinion because it, in a smaller area, would push a good amount of air. But in a big dining room / living room, it's just not good. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment, please. Thank you. Have a good day.